Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So I'm here today to tell you a secret application that I'm using to to ease up the pain of coding or doing projects using Python, right? So this application is a 27 lines of code. Okay, so if you are interested with this kind of code or any kind of project in the future, just subscribe to my channel, like the video, and comment down below if you have any kind of insight that you want to share. Okay, so let's get dive into it. I'm going to run the app, or no, I'm not going to run the app right now because this application is connected to a Chrome debugger. Chrome debugger is the one that I'm using to replicate a certain application or a certain website if that website has a Cloudflare. All right, so what I'm going to do here, I'm going to run the debugger first, and this is the debugger that I'm using. Okay, it's port 9222. User, it's a user directory, Chrome dash scraper. Okay, it's here. As you can see, I'm not logged in. Okay, and I'm going to go to let's say Manta. Let's see if Manta is available here. Okay. Usually it has a Cloudflare. Manta has a Cloudflare. Yellow Pages has Cloudflare. Any website right now has Cloudflare. Okay. So I already bypassed or not bypassed, manually solved the verification of Cloudflare. So what I'm going to do right now is to open up the application. Okay, the application is the click underscore debugger underscore version 2 dot py. But before I open that up, the application that I'm using almost the same as inspect element. All right, and hold on, okay, yep, it's here. Okay, almost the same like this. The only difference is it's straight to the point. Okay, it will going to tell you what element are you going to use. Okay, here if you're going to click on this arrow on the upper left, okay, and then you hover your mouse on the elements like for instance fonts or menu, navigation bar, button, search box, right? Text, icons, the search icons, or the magnifying glass, or what I mean, any kind of element that you can see on any kind of website. Okay, so we're going to close that out, and then we're going to proceed in running the app, right? And that is, as you can see, it's connecting to the Chrome debugger. That's the app on the right-hand side. Attached to the existing Chrome tab and spec element to Playwright Inspection. As you can see, there are codes already here. Okay, but we're going to open up that manta.com. Then we're going to click on record. Or I'm sorry, record. We're going to record the activity that we're going to do in manta.com. Click on record, or I'm sorry about that. Click on record. And then you can see here, I can click on this one, click on any band navigation or menu, right? But what we're going to do here, the way how you search Manta, okay? Going to click on the search box, the first one, and then we're going to click on lawyer, and then the state. Let's click on. Okay, I'm sorry. We're going to put Los Angeles, CA. You're not going to use your key, I mean your enter keyboard or any. I mean the only keyboard that you're going to use the if you're going to search that the keyboard like for instance you want to input any kind of information on the search box. Okay, so I'm going to click on search. As you can see here, it already got 10 out of 9,151 result matching lawyers. near Los Angeles, California. So right now I'm going to click on the cards, that one card, and then going to click on the law firm or the company, Michael D. Zeff, sorry, Zeff. Then click on the name of the law firm. Then I'm going to click on contact. Going to click on this one. Going to close that out. Going to open up this one. Nope. Or I'm going to select the phone number, select the website. Okay, and then if there are any, what you call this, there are any reviews, because I'm going to click on reviews, details, none, right? Or you can click on the sec code. Usually there's a legacy, what you call this, much older than NAIC, okay? But if you want, you can click on show, and that's the NAIC of this company or this niche, okay? And in the contacts, you can click on show again. That's the name of the contact. You can click on it, all right? And since we are already done, we can go back, click on back, right? You can click on back. Okay, that's it. You can click on back. Yeah, yeah, you can just go back until on the yep until here. Okay, so you can that's only one of the data that you can get. All right, but here's the best part of the application is that you can copy this and then put it on your whatever editor that you're using, VS Code, right? And what else? Sublime Text, right? You can use those editor, and then because the you know the this is already a complete code that you can use to expand all the codes that you're using. Okay, and then you can go ahead and uh, down below, right? There are multiple pages, so you can click on the pages one by one. All right, or there's another way you can click on next. So it will going to copy what is the element used to click on the next one. Okay, so you can copy this, put it on your editor or your what you call it, interface that you're using to create a code. Okay, so if you want this kind of a video or you like the application that I'm using, I can send it to you, and then I'm going to put it on the on GitHub so that you can copy it and then put it on your own your own application. So you can make the any kind of application and make the what you call this any kind of application, make the code a lot more easier. Okay, so thank you very much. Until the next one.